Millions of people around the world today will have woken up to find a verruca on their foot. And with busy lives to get on with, unhealthy feet are the last thing they need. We have developed a quick and proven solution that attacks the verruca at its heart. SWIFT delivers microwave energy that passes safely through the skin layers, generating heat inside the verruca that treats the infected tissue. This triggers the body's own immune response to fight the verruca virus. No blisters or scarring, no messy bandages, and virtually no discomfort post-treatment.